Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to find saved videos on YouTube. So in order to find the saved videos on YouTube, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you need is first thing first, open the YouTube app on your device. And now then, first of all, let's save a video. So let's say I'm gonna save this particular video, right? So click on the three dot icon and then click on save to playlist or maybe watch later. But you could add it to your playlist and make sure to click on the done button once it has been added. Now, to locate the following video that you've saved, click the use section from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you just need to go ahead and scroll down a bit. You could find your video, or you could just go ahead and click on playlist. Now then you could click on the videos or the playlist. Here it is. And then you could find the videos that you've saved. So here is your playlist. You could just go ahead and click on it and then locate the following playlist, or just tap on the three dot icon, and that way you'll be able to find save video on YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.